Come test drive the 2018 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, remote engine start, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, rear view camera, heated seats, airbags, front knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, push button start, cooled seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.